At ang pizza ni Minnie.
Magandang umaga po. Welcome po dito sa Atres Field House 1. Kaya naman po, madam, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday naman yan.
Sige po, kakantahan ko po muna po kayo.
In-order namin kasi lang kami
Cover speech. Wala bang malakpakan dyan? Thank you po. Balita ko may nag-request ng birthday. Pwede po kayo mag-hijab. Kanina may narinig ako. Sino nag-request ng golden dyan? Request talaga ito? Try ko lang po ha. Hindi ako lang ito pinakanta eh. Hindi ako lang po ito pinakanta. Let's go! was supposed, I was alone. I was talking, I was thinking, I was wrong, I don't know how to believe. How I feel that I'm meant to feel this too long. When I got hopes high, but I couldn't find my own place. Nothing that I tried, then I got too wild. But now how I get there, in every state I'm the high. Now I'm shining like a butterfly. 'Cause feeling hungry came so far now. I believe we're going up, it's going on. You know what you gotta know it. Gotta be golden. Oh, up, become the voices. Gotta be going. Gotta be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like a butterfly. All my words I know there's no light that you were butterfly. Waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up here and feel like me. Put these pants in all the past now, and finally leave all the girls they all see. Oh boy, I'm shining like I've come to be. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong, and I know I believe we're going up, it's our moment. Gotta be going, gotta be going. Oh, up, the voices. Gotta be going, gotta be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like a butterfly. Oh, my words I know there's no lies that you were butterfly. You know that hard time love is not like you were butterfly. Thank you po. Ano ba pong kanta? Sige po, pahirapan niyo po ako. Sa nag-request po ng golden, tapos na po.
Uy, ate, ito muna po ano ha?
Sige.
Sa Starbucks.
Ano po? Ano pa po mga request niyo?
Hanggang 4 lang ako.
Oo. Ay, ayan na nga pa sinasabi ko, dumudukot na naman si Madam.
Dilaw.
Madam, dumudukot na, dinudukot, dilaw. Ay! Yung keep the change daw, sabi. Di ano pa, Madam, sige. Tapos babalik tayo na Boss Jim. Ano pa request mo, Madam? Kanina, may sinabi ka kanina eh. Ano yung yung kinakanta? Yung opo. Thank you po kay Pinawash po. Pero paano pong kanta po? Ano pong kanta gusto niya marinig? Aegis or kahit ano? Sige, go. Pa? Sige pa.
Hindi magtira ka sa sarili mo. Hindi na ako yun. Magtira ka sa sarili mo. Kasi pag ikaw,
Yung gusto na ko happy, sige go. Ay, thank you po for the compliment. For
mas okay
the...
yun. Wala, mas okay yun.
Sige po, sige po.
Hindi mo napapabayaan yung sarili mo. Kasi mawag
Ito na lang.
Para wasak ka.
Para mahaba. Thank you po daw.
Hindi mo sinabi ba? Diba naging wasak na tayo ilang beses?
Wasak o wasala?
Pareho.
Wasak saan na?
Okay, clear. Alam ko favorite mo to eh.
Grabe ang concert. Para may
Let's go everyone! Baka kung may kumakain na sa inyo din natin, guys ha? Kanta po kayo.
Alright.
Is that like ang isa rin is na she's gone? Let's go! Gusto lahat ay nagtatanong sa aming bayan, sa amin ng kanluran na aking pinagmulan. Sila'y naririto at daw ako nagkakalong. Ako lang ang nakakaalam.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Rhina. At may isa pang request. Sige, go, go, go! Tuloy po mga sir. Ayun, magaling gabi po. May table pa po tayo dito, mas maluwag po. Magandang gabi po. Welcome to Atoy's Drill One.
Parang kay Boss Jimmy. Thank you for the compliment, Madam and Boss Jimmy.
Sige, sige.
Yeah, pa.
Alright. And Liam, yung request mo, birthday celebrant. After po ha.
Para yung anak ko,
Pamatay sa
Liam, pagkatapos sa yung request mo. Love.
Pamatay sa dulo ito. Tsare.
Tita, kakanta ka ba, tita? After niya, kanta lang. Saan dito?
Happy birthday, Madam Liam.
Punto na din.
She's gone. I was wrong. I'm too late. I was wrong. Didn't have to learn. My life is this empty space. All my blues are lost. I'm wasting away. Forgive me, girl.
Yep! Nagkalang. Thank you so much. Ayan na.
Taray!
Taray. Pinataubo ang lahat.
Tanginan to
Grabe.
ito na tira ko na tingnan mo po.
Small but terrible.
Tangan ko ng ito.
Alright, anyway.